Upholstery that has not been cleaned for a long time can cause allergies and contribute to illness. Heaven's Best can give new life to furniture and upholstered services. Like the flooring in a home or business, upholstery will last longer if it's professionally cleaned regularly. Our exclusive solutions and powerful cleaning system gently enhances the beauty of upholstered furniture and leaves it feeling fresh and clean. We can even clean the upholstery in vehicles, futons, and mattresses. Our technicians will determine the type of upholstery that the furniture is made of and then use the appropriate cleaning methods. And you'll be amazed at how quickly your upholstery dries. Carpet can act as an air filter, but in order to work effectively, it needs to be cleaned regularly. While vacuuming carpet is important, there are a variety of reasons to have it professionally cleaned every 6 to 12 months, or more frequently, depending on the amount of traffic. Heaven's Best uses a unique multi-step process that involves vacuuming, treating, and gently cleaning the carpet. Our customers love that our cleaning solution is powerful yet safe for their children and pets and will be dry within 1 hour of cleaning. Ordinary household traffic creates buildup that is difficult to remove by hand. The tile and grout in homes takes a beating on a daily basis. Whether in the kitchen, bathroom, the entryways, as well as all other areas of the home, ordinary household traffic creates buildup that is difficult to remove by hand. Tile and grout cleaning is a great service to offer our customers, and Heaven's Best uses the latest techniques and equipment to make your tile clean as a whistle.